Did you ever wonder if your house is going to pass or fail the home inspection? Today I'm going to tell you why that's such a big myth. Hi, I'm John Musselman from Musselman Home Inspection, and on this channel we like to talk about how to take care of your home and different components that make up your home. Today we're talking about whether your house is going to pass or fail a home inspection. The reality is that houses don't pass or fail a home inspection. They have to pass or fail to the potential buyer of the house. As home inspectors, we go through learning about what makes up the house. So what it is, and where is it in its life cycle. The homeowner, as they go through this process, may decide that this might not be the right fit for them as a buyer or their family because it might be too much for them to take on. And through the home inspection process, they can make changes or they can back out of the deal. People often think that that house failed the home inspection. The reality is it is what it is. If the roof is supposed to last 20 years and it's 25 years old, it's probably time to prepare to replace it or replace it, right? And as home inspectors, that's what we do. We do a visual inspection of the property. We walk clients around the perimeter of the house. We talk about the different components that make up the house and where they are in the life cycles. So if it's an older house, 40, 50, 60 years old, we've been through multiple different life cycles. And sometimes houses have a lot of these components replaced and repaired along the way, and sometimes they're all original. So when we go through the home inspection process and people understand all these different pieces that make up the house, sometimes they may say, hey, it's too much for our family to handle. We might need to think of a different property to look at. So sometimes people, again, think that they failed the home inspection, but it really comes down to, is it a good fit for the buyer or not? Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe below. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Have a great day, everyone.